am Savannah Hall and Jessica Whelchel. And my dog's outside, and his name is Buddy, and he's a Pomeranian Chihuahua mix. He's a boy, and he's 5 weeks old. And we're gonna be playing with him as Jessica Whelchel's the holder, and then I'll be the holder pretty soon. Okay, here he comes. Sorry it takes so long. Okay, here he is. The crazy nuthead, the crazy baby boy. Are you ready to play? Oh, you ready to play? Oh, let's play. Oh, she's a baby. Oh, she's a cute little baby. Oh, so. Oh, yeah. Oh, you killed me. Alright, you killed me. Oh, you killed me. Oh, no, I killed you. Oh, I got you. I fell on the bed. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Good boy! He's making it happy too. See? Good boy! Who's a good boy? Is it in? Wait. Yeah. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Oh. Good boys don't knock your owner down. Switch. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? He's attacking me. I'm his rightful owner, so he most likely plays with me more. Go on, crazy! How do we do that? How does he keep following me? He won't come to me. I just fell. Is it showing? Yeah. Stop looking your ball. Get him. Switch. Who's a good boy? Oh, sugar boy. Oh, come on, sugar. Sugar. Good boy. Your fingers are covering it. I have to redo the sugar. Good. You got me in the mouth there. Yes, a good boy. Yes, you are. Oh, who's a good boy? He's playing dead. You killed me. Oh, look how he pretends over there. She hurt me! No, you have to go pee again. You have to go pee again. No, guys, he has to go back outside. He has to go back outside, so we'll be waiting a few minutes. Oh, they're back. Oh, no, they're not. Okay, we're done with the show. Okay, bye, totes. Savannah Hall. Savannah. Yeah. Say goodbye. We ended it. Bye. Bye, buddy. I'll be seeing you soon.